Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. If you keep getting this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome on your Android phone, this video will show you how to fix this. First, tap on this menu icon here. Now scroll down and select settings. Now in this menu, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now scroll down again and select this use secure DNS option. Now enable it. Now select this choose another provider option. Now tap on this drop down menu and select open DNS from the list. You can also select any other DNS from the list, it doesn't really matter. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll up and tap on this delete browsing data. Now make sure you have selected all time here. Now tick all the checkboxes and tap on this delete data option. Now try reloading the web page and see if the issue is resolved. If you still face the same error, open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on General Management. In this menu, scroll down again and tap on Reset. Now here scroll down one more time and tap on this Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now tap on Reset Settings to confirm. Similarly, if you are using Wi-Fi, you can try resetting the Wi-Fi settings as well. On some devices, this will be labeled together as Reset Network Settings. Once you do this, you should be able to load web pages again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.